Welcome to the thrift store, one day where we bring Hollywood home on a budget. Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines, because I got a couple awesome racing games for you guys today. Nascar Racing, the 2003 season. It's from Sierra Interactive and Pieterse Racing Games, which has been developing NASCAR simulation games since the late 90s. #1 best-selling. It was originally purchased for $17.99, but I picked it up for $6.99. Also, we have Need for Speed Shift from EA. Picked it up for $3.49. What kind of driver are you? Both these games are rated E for everyone, and they're both for my computer. Let's start with NASCAR Racing 2003 season. Pieterse Racing Games developed the simulation game to be as authentic and real as possible. The ultimate NASCAR experience. Unparalleled graphics. Race against the pros right out of the box. Pit in record time. Authentic physics. Look at these key features: adaptive AI, field groove, enhanced physics model, and unmatched multiplayer support. Legendary authenticity, unparalleled racing. Battle your way to the lead pack in the most immersive racing game of the season. Go bumper to bumper against every one of your 2003 NASCAR favorites on all 23 real-life tracks, or draft to gain speed and blow right past them at 200 miles per hour. Take the checkered flag and experience the thrill that only NASCAR can deliver. It is a editor's choice for PC Gamer, NASCAR Racing 2002 season, and NASCAR 4. First, with 2003 drivers, teams, and sponsors, adaptive AI adjusts to the driver's skill level automatically. Race on all 23 NASCAR tracks, including the newly renovated New Hampshire International Speedway and Infineon Raceway. NASCAR tutorials and driving aids help you get around the track faster. Compete against the full NASCAR field of 42 drivers online. It is licensed by the Ford Motor Company, General Motors, and Dodge, and Goodyear, and Jasper Engines and Transmissions. Look at the licensing! Look at the corporate sponsorship! Complete detail right there. Sees It, Sevy, Nationwide, Lowe's. I installed this in my computer and it installed beautifully and it is completely playable. Have a look at the system requirements. That's NASCAR Racing 2003 season. In short, it is the ultimate NASCAR racing experience. You can even create your own custom fantasy tracks. Although I won't be able to. This offers exactly nearly 15 years past its expiration date. But I saw a YouTube video for a fantasy track for this game called, and I kid you not, the Taylor Swift Superdome. I will download that track one day, and I might play it on camera for you people, because that just reinforces my mission to bring Hollywood home on a budget. You want to know what also reinforces this? Need for Speed, because this was adapted into a movie for DreamWorks. Need for Speed Shift.
Sit in the driver's seat like never before. Feel the G-forces affect your head, body, and vision as you approach top speeds or when you brake late for a corner. Feel every bump, crest, and collision as you fight for a podium finish. It's not just about getting on the podium, it's about how you drive to get there. Be feared as an aggressive driver, trading paint, spinning out opponents, and power sliding through corners. Or be respected as a precise driver, perfecting every corner, tracking the perfect race line, waiting for your chance to make a daring pass. You're tracked and analyzed in your driver profile, and your talents will be rewarded. Every dollar you win can go to souping up your cars. Turbochargers, superchargers, nitrous, roll cages, racing dials, chassis upgrades. They're all available to us once we've got the money. Take on rivals in career, online, and single player. Adapt to different racing styles and modes. Time attack, drift, hot lap, eliminator, and driver duel. Stake your reputation online against up to 7 opponents. Tear into 18 tracks and city courses with 50-plus layouts and compete in over 45 additional and exclusive challenges. It's all waiting for us. A groundbreaking cockpit experience, world-class physics, mind-blowing visuals. Need for Speed Shift is the true driver's experience.
What kind of driver are you? Race your way and stamp your mark on the world. Define your style and build your unique driver profile. Will you be feared or respected? Control the raw power of aggressively tuned race cars. Compete against the best drivers in the world online. Your driver profile continues to build as you play online and helps match you against the most suitable rivals for your ability. Published by EA, developed by Slightly Mad Studios. It is rated E for everyone with some mild violence. These are the system requirements. It does work for Windows XP, SP2, and Vista. Need for Speed Shift. NASCAR Racing 2003 season and Need for Speed Shift. Both are compatible. Both are playable. I installed this in my computer and installed beautifully. This contains an instruction manual and the disc itself. Same thing with this. And actually this was bought for 50% off its price of $349. If you want an immersive experience, this is a little teaser of what you're going to get in Need for Speed Shift and NASCAR Racing. And it is set to R.P.Ms by Sasha Pieterse, better known as Queen Allison on Pretty Little Liars. Thanks for joining me on the Thrift Store Rundown, where we rev your engines on a budget. Sasha, take it away.
Fast-paced day to day. It's the only thing that keeps me sane. Black top beneath my wheels. Blue moon rising above the hills. Put it in gear, put the pedal down, and I won't stop till the tank runs out. Turning the ignition down. So much horsepower in my hands. Baby, try and catch me if you can. No rearview mirror and the brakes are shot. When life gets tough, we kick it up a notch. Turning the ignition, revving up my engine, tearing up the highway of my life. Grinding on my gearbox, skipping all the pit stops, blazing by red traffic lights. See some folks like the slow lane. Me, I just need the R.P.Ms. The R.P.Ms. I just need the R.P.Ms. In this crazy race of mine, there's no such thing as the finish line. Turning the ignition.